Hi guys, we're headed to our 13-week appointment with Nora, and we get to hear the heartbeat today. I'm so excited.
I'm gonna record it and definitely get that audio file because I have no doubt that my parents are gonna want to hear it, so I'll see if I can't transfer over to my phone and send it their way. By the way, hi Mom, hi Dad.
Hi.
Other than that, it's just a regular appointment. When's our gender check?
Our gender check will be in 4 or 5 weeks.
And we will not be announcing the gender until after our gender reveal party.
You gonna say something?
Okay guys, here we go. Let's go hear the heartbeat. I have you on camera. Because I can. Oh, there's Nora.
Oh, that was so bright. That was a car, I think. I don't think you flashed.
No, I didn't flash.
No, it was a car that went by that flashed my eye.
You're a stinker. Yeah. Ding! It's not a proper answer. What do you want for dinner?
I want sushi.
What do you want for dinner?
Sushi.
We don't have the funds for sushi.
Well, you asked.
I know.
I want...
Because one roll of sushi is like 15 bucks.
You're slouching a lot though. This slouchy McGee over here. You're slouching. Look at how far your butt is at the end of the seat. Is that comfy? Good. This is my husband. This is what he acts like when we go to appointments and out in public. This is what I deal with. What are you doing? What are you angry? Alright, stop being angry. Why are you angry?
That was awesome.
Baby sounds good.
That's our baby.
Is it still kind of surreal?
Yeah.
It became a lot more real when we did the ultrasound and we got to see the baby and see the baby move and everything.
Okay, now feed me because I'm hungry. We got to hear this.
We got the heartbeat. We got the heartbeat. We got.
I'm shaking the baby.
We got the heartbeat.
I'm shaking. I can't see anything.
It's so bright. We got the heartbeat.
This stinker right
We got the.
This
That's
stinker,
that stinker right
here.
there. We got the heartbeat. Give me a kiss.
Mwah. Are you excited?
Yes. Well, guys, we got to hear the heartbeat today, so it was super exciting. Very still surreal, but I think it's getting less surreal. Is that the proper word?
It's
for
getting
it?
more real.
It's more real. Yes. That's what I'm trying to go for. Go away, semi-truck.
You're fine. You're staying this lane.
Okay. We thank you guys for sticking it through and continue to watch our updates. And we will see you in the next video.
It's my munchkin.
It's my munchkin!
It's my munchkin.
It's my munchkin!